Hey girl with the big foot. Hey! Listen what me said. No! Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey! Go up on the bed. Oh! Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah! Me know say you see it. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah! Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
So we met at the airport. We had a booking in Albany.
Yeah, when I first saw her, was in the airport. She didn't like me at first. She thought I was gay.
I did think he was gay, and then I noticed he was hitting on me, and I like wanted scissors, and he like went downstairs and got it for me. So like, what did you do?
Everything.
Hey, yo, hey, you cannot do that. Yo, your ears bleeding.
So how many times did you cheat?
Should I answer that?
Yeah, you gotta answer it. Yeah.
I think I'm dying.
Yeah, I think he's dying.
Give me a number.
I wasn't counting.
That.
Why you never just leave?
This whole time you took me for a fucking ass. Now I'm here and your mother cunt. You want me? I ain't going no fucking where.
Michael! 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 Little boy! You don't want to hear me, can you? Oh, you go hear me if you shout. You need to take time talk. What you say? I'm going to take time talk like this. Michael! Michael! You hear me though? That good though. Michael! I have a question. For house, you know. That hear the question? For house.
Your house, mommy.
So, you tell me not to talk loud in my house. I'm tired. This is my house. I'm the association. So you tell me that.
Dah, mat mau fix fuck my tax time no my you.
So dah tak perlu nak berapa?
Mana nak pick ni dah, mana pick ni muka dah fight tax video tanpa ya kia mai sama blok dah. Ayo dia joke na nabi dah yang.
I'm single dog.
Lah kalau dia yang sang?
Yeah, brother. Itu lagi ada Ashley Mayu dog. My dog pussy come like Bama lah. Oh, yeah, las brother.
Dah supposed to me dah.
Dog pussy ever the pan tour wood boy.
Dah iwan yang last girlfriend. Yeah, I got a pussy coming like world and chaba fuck for everybody my you. Ya, uci dah. Jangan dia nama you.
My watch your eyes.
Away cleanly, Bolt has got a very good start indeed. Flies past along to Edward on the outside of him. Is that an excellent bench? Sean Crawford going well out in lane 8 as well. But it's all about Usain Bolt. 2 metres clear, 3 metres clear, 5 metres clear.
Over them there.
Yo, brother, where are you from?
Now you tell me say the ice.
No, which ice you think you talk about?
Immigration you talk
about? Ice on the ground.
When I was straight, immigration you talk about.
I want to know, brother, man.
My is a chump.
Every time I'm looking for you, you're out here. You're out here chilling.
I'm chilling, my nigga. Like, what the fuck?
Okay, but I want you to can you tell me the name of this song? It goes like I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I
don't know that song, son. I don't know the song.
Babe, you have to know this song. It's some. I know I heard you listening to it one time. I don't know anything. Hey, why are you ignoring me? Every time, babe.
Yo, that ass my nigga, you gonna stop putting your fucking hands on me.
You're not listening.
Like, I don't know what the fuck you singing, so I don't know what song you singing right now. You gonna stop fucking putting your hands on me, you fucking avatar. Like, your voice is nasty, son. Dead ass, yo. Like, real shit. You talking about I'm ignoring you and shit like that. You every time you come out here, every time I'm chilling out here, you come out here with your size 26 shoes.
Wow.
Like, your voice is nasty as shit, son. Like, dead ass.
You don't mean that.
Yes, I do.
John was starving, bro, man. I'm gonna go pay them bill. How me go pay them that bill there? Hold on, me have a plan. I call up the girl. What is he calling me for now? Hello? The scamming now work like it used to work, you know, man. I'm not want no more jail time. And let me put the boy up on my tax return this year now. Listen here, thinking dirty boy. You no pay no bill in here for we. Me can't tell when last you give me money. Actually, matter of fact, you never give money since him born. Since he come out of me zoom, you not give me no money. And me buy bed for that boy when he was 6-year-old, you know. The boy at 10 years old. 10 years old, and I talk about you buy bed since 6. When he was 6, me case will come off from phone. You're wasting my minutes. Hello?
Hey! No, man, me just reach him. Yeah, me leave you back. I get the caress.
Papi, yo no sé calla, yo no sé mero, yo no sé tía, yo no sé cubana. Entra, María.
You can't let me see that before you start foolishness.
Papi. I saw her number on your phone, Papi. I saw her number on your phone, and she was calling you, Papi.
Momento, mamacita. You start play cricket.
What do you mean, Papi?
You start play baseball.
Papi, I'm afraid I don't know what you mean, Papi.
Your hand-eye coordination look like it turn up, man.
What do you mean, Papi?
How will you catch English so buck like good?
Rosetta Stone, Papi.
Hey, girl, which one I teach you English here, eh? Which book?
No, Papi,
Maria,
no.
play with me now. Which
I
one I
know
teach
she
you English,
on
Maria?
you. It's Rosetta Stone.
Rosetta Stone. Maria, tell big dirty stinking breadfoot Rosetta Stone not to come back in this blood clot. You hear me I tell you?
Papi,
Now,
it's a program.
Come move party girl.
Program English.
Bumbo, yeah, right.
Did you cheat on me? No. What I talk about? But I saw you kiss her. You never see me. It's an illusion. Why are you lying to me? No. You never see me kiss nobody. How many times did you cheat on me? Never in my life. Oh my God! I saw you! Okay? I saw you! I know who you see, but you never see me. I will never cheat on you yet. How? How do you sit there and lie to me right to my face? Me never cheat on you. God kill me now if I lie me I tell. Babes, today my friend tell me say me I get fat. A true? But me hungry, me don't know where me I go eat. Me hungry.
So you want what me can do for help? You want me to do nothing?
No, me no want nothing. You know, so me I get fat. You deaf? Wait. What you mean? You know, say from what you say you don't care about me. But you know if you go on so you know. Wait. You hear that? You hear that? Me catch gas. No, sir. If you cause this, you need to take some of the gas and go cook for me. No, sir.
Good morning, babe. I brought you some breakfast. You brought me breakfast? Yes, I did. I thought I'd bring you breakfast in bed. Blood of Nebuchadnezzar. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Wow. So my dream was true. What dream is that? You want to kill me? Why would I want to kill you? All this time we've been dating. Not once have you brought breakfast for me. But today, the day I had a dream, that's the day you decided to bring me breakfast. I just thought I would do something romantic this morning, especially since we had a big fight last night. Exactly. No wonder you were asking me about my life insurance policy last week. If I want to kill you, there are a million ways I can do it. Trust me. Do you think I'll kill you with ordinary food over my dead body? You will suffer. My sister, thank you very much for the gesture. I really appreciate it. But I ate in my sleep, so I'm still full. God bless you. Carry your property. Come on here.
When he started making videos in his underwear, Prince Pine had this to say to his fans when they started criticizing him about making videos in his underwear. He also admitted that he tried to make video in a wig once, acting as a female, but the wig itched too much, so he couldn't be bothered with it. However, Prince Pine started generating a lot more attention after making a 15-second Vine with a song called Gas Pan.
You see me girl them a fi carry gas pan. Them a fi chat. One hand, my girl them a fi ever gas it. Me have beef, we make patty, my girl them. Girl them.
Which gained him a lot more followers and a lot more airplay as his song was being played in parties all over Jamaica, which